today, just a little less mundane. Oh.
Wow! Wow! Then, ito yung reason bakit siya binook. One person can order two. Ha? Up. Okay. Okay. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Yes.
May I
Yes.
see your booking information? Yeah, I would like to confirm with you your booking information. Yeah, you book with us room class in 18 of Mountain View, Triple, and you arrive on today and departure on tomorrow.
Yes.
You stay here for one night, and this is the price total you have to pay upon check-in.
Okay. Do you accept credit card?
Yes. Yeah, we charge your phone. Okay. Yes, our check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is before 12 p.m.
Okay.
And this is some our hotel regulation. Please know. This is our information. You can contact with us by hotline or WhatsApp. The Wi-Fi name is SAPA YEN, and you can connect with no passport.
Okay.
Yeah. In your room price already include the breakfast, which serve from 7 a.m. to 9:30. The restaurant is located at the behind of the hotel.
Okay.
Yeah. You enter the elevator and select G floor, and then turn right to go down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We also suggest you some place you should visit when you in Sapa. And about hotel service, we have laundry service or booking ticket.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, like fancy pump or train or tour. Something.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. In the room, we have some amenities like coffee and bottle of water in the table. But the item in minibar like tea or noodle cup, this is chargeable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And about the hot water, after you insert the car to turn on the power, please wait around 20 minutes to warm up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not-
Okay.
It's not warm immediately.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Em chọn chị nó vào thầy nha. This is your room key.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pa. Pa. Thank you. Thank you so much. Million din yung hotel pa. 1,143,000. 1,4,306. Oh. Wow! 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 Okay. Room tour muna, guys. Hindi, pag mag-kuhan ka pa, nakalock na yan. Okay, guys. So, ito yung sinasabi nila naman. Hindi siya free. So, ito hindi siya free. Ito yung price list. Then, ito yung hot water daw. Tapos, yan. Oh. Merong ref. May slipper dito, oh. Slipper. And then, yung CR. Oh, yung CR, oh, kita ka. Baba lang yung magkanya. CR. Then, amenity kit. Razor. Na-razor pang, oh. Cotton buds. Lock. Lock. Ano to? Hindi ko alam. Lok chai to. Kung saan na? Bon chai. Toothpaste, toothbrush. Ito hindi ko alam. Ay, comb! Comb! Suklay ba? Tapos dental kit. Ayan. Hand wash. Small towel. Ayan. Tapos, may mga lang stains. Pero okay lang naman. Hot and cold shower. Shampoo, shower gel. Ito. Pausan natin ito. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ito yung CR. Tapos, ito na yung Pia. Oy, hindi niya giyaw ng aircon. 20 minutes pa daw ang hot water. Hindi siya immediate. Uy, mandali lang. Naka-kuha dito. Yan, privacy screen. Okay, guys. Okay. Ito na. So, ito ang room, guys. Isang double, isang single, and then yung view. Oh, view. Pero hindi ka makaupo. Ayan o, ang restaurant o. So, ito yung view, guys. Tapos, yung upuan. Ay, meron sila ano. Thank you. Dear Miss Giselle de la Cruz. A warm welcome. Wow, char. May postcard pa. Postcard. May pa-thank you note. May pa-thank you note pa sila, guys. Tapos, T.O. Tibag. Uwi natin. SAPA Yen Hotel. Pag-una naman. Okay. So, ito ang ating meron. Ating binayaran. Total of 1,143,973. Ito lang kung magkano equivalent. So, hindi pa siya final ang price nito, pero nasa 2,541. 2,541.56. Ayan, guys. Check-in time is 2 p.m. Check-out is 12. Breakfast. Ano pa ba? Basta ito yung binigay nila, guys. Okay! Yan. So, binook siya Agoda. Make sure mag-book kayo ng months before. Kasi madali siya ma-fully book. Like, I think mga January fully book na siya. Ito na book ko siya like last year pa! Last year ko pag i-book na. Sure ba? Pagoda. Basta nga lang po last year ko siya gi-book, guys. So, yun lang. Take note na lang. Like, especially yung dito sa Mountain View, madali siyang ma-fully book. Ito yung SAPA Yen. SAPA Yen Hotel. Nakita na namin tomorrow yung breakfast. Grabe yung oily. Oily skin. Hulaan mo ilang Pinoy yung nandyan sa baba pang. Ay, nandiyan na. Nag-hi sila pag nag-hi yung mga sakay ng train. Ayan. Whee! So kami bukas, doon kami magpunta, guys. Doon sa may bukid. Ayun, yung sa may bukid. Then, yan yung restaurant. Ma'am Restaurant. Please, meron siyang merong hair dryer. And then, ito yung saksa.
Sa una ba yan? Balik ba yan kung
Meron
pati
pang
sige
dalawa
parang. Kanya ang trabaho nila para magawas ang...
Palusot ka pa din.
Additional. Okay, guys. Nasa isla. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, guys. sunrise na morning. Okay. Mag-breakfast kami. 7 in the morning. Okay. Let's go. Okay, guys.
Doon ka na sa garahian.
Okay, guys. Let's have breakfast. May pink silang ako, no? Oh, good morning.
Salad.
Like, how does the breakfast works?
It's breakfast, breakfast.
Okay. Should we?
Yeah?
We should just
You
choose.
check in SAPA YEN HOTEL.
Yes.
My check your number
306.
306. Yes.
Like, we should just choose here.
Yeah. Everything inside you can choose.
Okay, okay.
And other two.
Okay, two. Okay. Gawa, sir. Ay, wait lang. Pag-order sa daan. Dito na to. Okay, magpili siya ta. One person can order 2. Oh, pili siya mo. Saman.
Ito sa akin. Ito na ko.
Asa?
Yan.
Duha man.
Ay, duha ka kwan? Oh, yeah.
Dito, main og kwan ba?
Sige, sige. Yung kinain mo kahapon. Yan, oh. Sige.
Magbili lang tayo sa labas eh. Yung mabusog kayo para panang breakfast.
Ano, balikan mo yung jacket mo.
Tom yum. Omelette og
Yung dalawang magkatabi.
sandwich omelette and sweet potato. Ay, sige ka ni steam rice. Magati lang tayo. So we'll order one of this
Yes.
and then one chicken noodle soup
Yes.
and one stir-fried noodles.
You want beef or chicken?
Chicken, and then one pumpkin soup
Yes.
and vegetable soup. Then, like lastly, can we add this one? Steamed
Yes.
rice.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Is this included?
Yeah, you take for yourself.
Okay, thank you.
Isog kayo.
Naay mga fruits doon at saka juice sa loob.
Library mo.
Yun nandun sa may table.
May nagkwan na din. Nandun na din.
Saan siya?
Ay, no, padating na. Padating. Uy, nag-video ba yan? Oh, ano ba? Yan kasali ka din. Pag, dali pag.
Hindi ka pa. Pabalik na kayo.
Asa na? Yan. Ay,
Okay.
wala nakuha pang. Klase, nag-timer mang wala.
So yung kwarto namin guys is nandoon sa
Wala nang kuhan.
third.
Nag-smile ka
1,
sana,
2,
mas gwapo.
3. Omelette.
Wala silang coffee.
Doon ganun sa loob. Ayun, yun. Opo na. Ito mo na, ikaw mo tabi mo muna para muragpan ba? Lang, andyan na. Lapa. 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 Diyan na. Okay. Smile. Okay. Ako wala. Mamaya na.
Balik ko.
Kuha ng coffee dito.
Parang magpatiko ko.
So, merong mga coffee at saka fruits pa doon, guys. Picture mo muna ako, pang babe. Dito. Oh, picture mo muna ako. Picture mo na with the, ano. Ganyan. Tapos pag magdating mamaya ang train. Lang. Go. Tapos magtayo ka lang dyan, hintayin mo yung train. Okay. Thank you. Rice roll.
SAPA YEN SUB.
Okay. Thank you. Pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup.
Tikman ko daw. Ay, ito yung ginasabi mo na isaw-saw. Ay, kanin.
Steam rice yan.
Magkutsarap mo.
Pumpkin soup, vegetable soup, then rice something. Nagdaan na pala.
Ganyan oh. Eh, wag na hindi na.
Ako man na, boy. Akong kan pa.
Ayaw.
Naka-on. Patayo kung kan.
Dali upload.
Tapos sundan mo lang. Yun na. Yung pindot mo lang pa. Yan. Dire pa oh. Dire oh. Dibot ka ah.
Basta si Papa mag-ano, picture lahat. Tapos ang sasakyan lang da itong picture lang.
Yan ang bangga ito makuha.
Tambok na di ko mo.
At nga nakap.
Guys, we'll check out. Na. Checking out.
Ipasok na sa loob. Ay, wala nang loob.
Ha?
Ipasok na sa loob.
Checking.
Wait a moment, how can
For three.
Okay. And then can we just leave our luggage first? Leave our luggage. And we will come back like later.
Two adults, one children, okay, and three.
Masarap ah. Dala! Free lang daw ang rice, guys. Para sa mga Filipino. Oh, charot.